Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential component for anyone relying on an Intermec PX4i thermal barcode printer, the knob crankshaft assembly, specifically part number 104016300. This isn't just any replacement part. It's a crucial piece designed to ensure the smooth and reliable operation of your printer, whether you're running the 203 DPI or 300 DPI model. One of the standout features highlighted for this assembly is its genuine and versatile nature. This means it's specifically engineered to fit the Intermec PX4i perfectly, eliminating the guesswork and potential compatibility issues that can arise with non-genuine parts. Its versatility ensures that users with either resolution printer can confidently install this component, knowing it's the right fit. The emphasis on it being security reliable and durable and strong speaks volumes about its intended longevity and performance. In a busy operational environment, the last thing anyone needs is a printer component failing prematurely. This assembly is built to withstand the demands of continuous use, contributing to less downtime and more consistent barcode printing. The brand behind this particular assembly is Parts Lost, and they place a significant emphasis on customer satisfaction, which is a huge plus. They offer what they describe as complete customer service for their products, including dedicated after-sales support for their printer accessories. This commitment to quality extends beyond the physical product itself, ensuring that if any questions or issues arise, their customer service team is readily available to assist. This level of support provides a valuable layer of confidence for anyone purchasing this critical part, knowing that their investment is backed by a company that prioritizes both product quality and customer peace of mind. For businesses and individuals who depend on their Intermec PX4i printers for daily operations, having a reliable replacement part like this knob crankshaft assembly, coupled with robust customer service, is truly invaluable. It helps maintain the efficiency and output that these thermal barcode printers are known for, keeping operations running without a hitch.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.